What happens when you do 50 push-ups every day? If you decided to do 50 push-ups every single day, what would actually happen to your body? Most people think they already know the answer. They imagine bigger arms, a stronger chest, and maybe a boost in confidence. But the real story goes way deeper. In fact, some of the changes that happen inside your body start within the first 7 days. And some of them, you will not expect. Today on Fitness Tips, we're breaking down the hidden transformations your body goes through when you make this one simple habit a part of your daily life. Before we start, here's something to think about. What if I told you that doing 50 push-ups a day can affect your hormones, your posture, your metabolism, your mental performance, and even how you sleep at night? These are the things that nobody talks about. So make sure you stay with me, because the benefits you'll hear toward the end are the ones that usually surprise people the most. Many people believe push-ups only target your chest. But the truth is, when you do them every day, your body starts changing in ways that are almost like a full body workout. Not just upper body. Not just strength. Much more. Let's get into the first major transformation. 1. Stronger muscles and faster muscle activation. The first big change you experience from doing 50 push-ups daily is the rapid improvement in muscle activation. In the beginning, the movement feels heavier. You might struggle to keep your form steady. Your arms shake, your core collapses, and you feel the burn quickly. But something interesting happens when you repeat this movement every day. Your brain and muscles start communicating better. This is called neuromuscular adaptation, and it's one of the reasons people gain strength before they even gain size. Your chest muscles start firing more efficiently. Your triceps become more responsive. Your shoulders stabilize better. Even your core muscles learn to switch on faster. You feel the difference when you go from struggling with the first 10 push-ups to suddenly hitting all 50 without stopping. This is your body adapting in real time. Most people think this kind of improvement takes months, but your body starts changing in 72 hours. Not 3 weeks. Just 3 days. If you keep going daily, these changes don't just add up. They multiply. 2. Noticeable upper body growth and muscle definition. After a few weeks of consistent push-ups, your body begins to show visible changes. Your chest starts gaining shape. Your shoulders look broader and more rounded. Your arms, especially the triceps, develop definition because push-ups are one of the most effective tricep exercises you can do without equipment. And here's something many people don't realize. Doing 50 push-ups a day won't make you huge like a bodybuilder, but it will give you that lean, defined, athletic look that so many people want. Push-ups build functional strength. They give you muscles that not only look good but also work well in everyday life. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't need supplements. Your own body weight is enough to reshape your upper body, if you commit to daily consistency. 3. A stronger core without even realizing it. One of the most surprising benefits comes from a part of your body you might not think about. Your core. A proper push-up forces your core to stay engaged the entire time. If your core relaxes, your hips sag, your back arches, and your form breaks. So when you do 50 push-ups a day with good form, your core muscles are working harder than most people realize. You strengthen your abs, your obliques, your lower back, and deeper muscles that support your spine. These muscles protect you from back pain, help you move better, and improve your balance. Over time, this leads to something you can actually feel. Standing taller. Sitting more comfortably. Walking with better posture. These improvements happen quietly, but they change the way your whole body feels. Most people try endless crunches to build a strong core. But the truth is, a well-executed push-up activates more core muscles at once than many common ab exercises. 4. Better posture and reduced upper back pain. Daily push-ups can change the way you hold your body. Many people today struggle with rounded shoulders from sitting for long hours. Push-ups strengthen the muscles in the chest, shoulders, and upper back in a balanced way. When these muscles become stronger, they naturally pull your shoulders into a healthier position. You start to stand straighter. Your neck doesn't feel as strained. Your upper back carries less tension. It becomes easier to maintain good posture, even without thinking about it. This change often sneaks up on you. One day you notice you're not slouching as much. Your shoulders stay back. Your chest stays open. The movement patterns you repeat every day start to reflect in your posture. Poor posture makes you look older, weaker, and less confident. Strong posture instantly makes you look more energetic, more capable, and even more attractive. And push-ups are one of the simplest ways to get there. 5. Stronger bones and joint stability. Push-ups don't just strengthen your muscles. They also strengthen your bones and joints. Every time you push your body away from the ground, you load your wrists, elbows, and shoulders. This load stimulates your bones to grow denser and stronger. It also strengthens the connective tissues around your joints. As your joints become more stable, they can handle daily stress better. You reduce your risk of injury during workouts and during normal activities. Whether it's lifting something heavy, pushing open a door, or carrying groceries, your arms and shoulders start feeling more reliable. Your joints adapt just like your muscles. If you're avoiding push-ups because you think they might hurt your joints, you might be surprised. With proper form, daily push-ups often improve joint health rather than harm it. 6. Improved metabolism and fat burning. This is where the story gets even more interesting. Doing 50 push-ups a day may not sound like much, but the effect on your metabolism is real. When your muscles grow stronger, they require more energy even while resting. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue. So the more muscle you develop, the more calories your body burns all day long. Push-ups also raise your heart rate. Not in an extreme way, but enough to give you a cardiovascular boost while still focusing on strength. Over time, this combination of strength and heart rate response increases your metabolic rate. You begin burning more calories throughout the day. You don't need hour-long workouts to burn fat. You just need the right movement done consistently. And push-ups are one of the most efficient movements your body was designed to perform. 7. A boost in mental strength and discipline. Daily push-ups train more than your muscles. They train your mind. Waking up every day and sticking to a physical routine does something powerful to your confidence. It builds discipline. You learn to trust yourself. You prove to yourself that you can commit to a goal and stick with it. This mental strength carries over into other areas of life. You begin approaching challenges differently. You feel more capable. You feel more in control of your habits. And the best part is, this happens before the physical transformation becomes visible. You feel better long before you look better. You also experience the release of endorphins, the natural chemicals that improve your mood and reduce stress. Many people don't expect this, but doing push-ups daily can noticeably improve your mental health. 8. Better cardiovascular health. You might not think of push-ups as a cardio exercise, but research shows that they do benefit your heart. When you repeat the movement for 50 reps, your heart rate increases. Your lungs work harder. Your body pumps more oxygen to your muscles. Over time, this builds endurance. It strengthens your heart. It improves your circulation. Some studies have even shown that men who can do a higher number of push-ups have a lower risk of cardiovascular issues later in life. While 50 push-ups per day is not the same as a full cardio workout, it still trains your heart enough to make a positive difference. 9. Increased hormone balance and higher growth hormone release. When you perform a compound exercise like push-ups, your body releases growth hormone and testosterone. These hormones help repair tissues, build muscle, and support fat burning. Doing push-ups every day keeps these hormones active, especially in younger and middle-aged adults. You feel more energized. Your muscles recover faster. Your body responds quicker to physical activity. This hormonal effect becomes even more noticeable if you combine daily push-ups with proper sleep and nutrition. 10. Better sleep quality. After a few weeks of daily push-ups, many people report that they fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. This happens because physical activity helps regulate your internal clock. Your body becomes better at winding down at night and waking up in the morning. Push-ups also release tension in your shoulders, chest, and upper back. This helps you relax more comfortably at night. Since your body uses energy during the push-up routine, you feel a natural sense of tiredness that helps you fall asleep without stress. 11. A more toned, lean, athletic body shape. When you do 50 push-ups a day for a long period, your body starts taking on a naturally athletic shape. Your chest rises. Your shoulders widen. Your arms tighten. Your core becomes firmer. These changes build gradually, but they become more noticeable over time. Your clothes start fitting better. You feel stronger and lighter. You move with more control. And because push-ups activate several muscle groups at once, the overall effect makes your body look balanced and symmetrical. So if you're thinking about doing 50 push-ups every single day, now you know exactly what your body goes through. The transformation is real. The changes are powerful. And the results become even better when you stay consistent. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more fitness knowledge made simple, make sure you subscribe to Fitness Tips and turn on all notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.